Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove a watermark in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Let's get started. First, go to Color tab. Then under the Window section, select the pen tool and draw an outline around the watermark you want to remove. Then click on Tracker tab. Move your timeline slider to the start of your clip. Then click the track forward, and then DaVinci Resolve will automatically analyze the clip to track the watermark. Then go to Effects panel and search for Object Removal. Then drag it onto your node. And take note that the Object Removal tool is only available in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Then after that, click on the Scene Analysis and DaVinci Resolve will process your video. And once processed, the watermark area may appear gray. To fix this, scroll down the click Build Clean Plate to refine the result. And that's it. Your video should now appear watermark free. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.